Okay, so here I am officially installing the carbon fiber mirror covers on this 2004 or maybe 2005 SL500, or this is actually a 55, I forgot, yeah, it's a 55. Now the difference in the mirror on the SL is the early model, the 0203, that one had a more round, bulkier mirror. I think 04 and up, maybe 05 and up, had a thinner, longer mirror. The shape is different. The glass itself is cut different. So you have to know that. I can show you the difference of the mirror. This right here is an indicator of the old shape compared to the newer 04, 05 and up glass. It has more of an angle, a sharper angle to it. The previous one has a more rounded angle. And the outer design, this outer trim piece, is again thinner, not as bulky. So this is the right or the correct carbon fiber mirror cover. The owner of this vehicle previously bought the 02 through 03, and it was, or maybe through 04, whatever, and it was more rounded and it didn't fit. So now I actually have that mirror cover to install on my SL55. Let me just make sure I get the year right, because I keep playing around with this 04, 05. This is actually a 04, it's a 09, 03, but it's a late year, so it's a 04 on the title. So apparently on the SL55, 04, they included the 04 or 05 and up mirror covers. All right, so let's see. Now, these new mirror covers, they come with something that the factory ones did not have. And that's the convenience light on the bottom. And of course, it's LED. The previous one did not have that. So in order to feed that circuit, I have to tap into the convenience light, which is this light right here at the bottom of the door when you open it up. So I ran a wire from there, run it inside the door panel, and have it come out at the top and run it to the outside so that I can connect it right there. So of course, it's the polarity is important because it's LED. It only will light up one way. So make sure that the brown is connected to the negative on this circuit. I think it's indicated by these check marks or these lines. On this line right here, I believe that means that it is negative. I will test it, of course, before final installation to make sure. But you have to supply a line for that convenience light. I'm hoping that this turn signal, I think the factory is LED, so you should not need a resistor. The turn signal that's on the front. So I should not need a resistor. And this is a newer, better design anyways than the original, of which is LED. So I should be okay without adding any type of resistor to it. It should blink. So that is the process. If you do not know how to remove the mirror itself to get it to this point, it's real simple. You first have to remove the glass, the mirror itself, bend it down, tilt it down towards the floor or the ground. Put your hand back there and pop it loose. Just pull, don't snatch it off. Gradually tug it off, like tug it away, tug it towards you. It will pop or disconnect. Just play with it a little bit. You might have to tilt it to do the last little disconnect or pop off, pop or removal. And there's two for the heated mirror sensors. These right here have to be pulled off. And this right here is connected to, I think this is connected on the driver's side only. This is the dimmer, or either heated mirror or dimmer. Heated mirror, dimmer. There you go. Heated mirrors, dimmer. Only on the driver's side do you have this. On the passenger side, you do not have this. You do not have the automatic dimmer. Only on the driver's side. Passenger side does have the heated mirror feature. Unplug those. Then this right here, the tilt, the actual motorized connection to the mirror that tilts the mirror, that has to come off with 3 screws that are holding that in place. And then once you remove those star bits, then this right here is the final connection. Remove that. When the whole thing comes off, this pops out. And then the actual shell itself, just wiggle it loose. It will pop out of place and you remove it, carefully. That's how you do that. Real simple. So the reinstallation of the new one is the same. You just have to do some wiring. It comes with a couple wires here, extensions, things of that nature. But it's all kind of simple. If you know anything about electronics and wiring, shrink wrapping, things of that nature, it should be easy to do. All right. So let me get back into it. Okay, so here goes the first one. He still has to get this mirror replaced because we put a smaller one on there, like from the previous years, so it didn't fit it perfectly, so you do have a gap right there. So we're gonna go ahead and swap that out at some point. Let's see what it looks like when it lights up. Pull out the key. There it is. And guess what? The light up underneath works when you open the door. Boom. Okay. So there we go. We're good to go, baby. Good to go. Took some work, but I got it done. The process isn't crazy, but it is a little involved, so you gotta know what you're doing. But it's worth it. Let's go. Yeah, he perping and put one of those right there. Ta! Silly. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the finished, completed conversion of the turn signals and the mirrors on the SL55. On the silver, it definitely stands out. You got the carbon fiber front lip. There you go, a little closer. Carbon fiber front lip. Now you got the side mirrors, carbon fiber. And you have the spoiler, carbon fiber. Nice wing, All right. How you like it? You love it? All right. This has the panoramic roof. Can't beat that. It's a beautiful, 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 beautiful car. You're welcome.